Hi Nikshit,
Hi,
what are you doing with water bottle?
Daddy. I was doing with the bottle of tornado, Daddy.
How you making the tornado in bottle?
Daddy, see it. Do like this and do like this.
You won't explain some.
How fast is coming?
Wow, very nice. Can you do repeat it once?
Okay,
But more time.
okay. The physics of experiment that is
So tornado how it is made? What are the principles are working?
Daddy, because that was a reflecting of the tornado. How the cyclone will be round. The water it's a flow like it and we do this we will do it the water it is that is the physics of experiment.
Physics of experiment?
Yes, that is a physics of experiment.